Alright guys, I checked in. No, he said the bottom one. Isn't it the silver? Joe will take time when y'all lock the door now. Anyways guys, we're about to go explorationing. This is what the villa looks like. I'm giving a surround sound. I mean a surround view. My camera's gonna get wet. It's raining still, but that's what it looks like. We're trying to go explorationing because there's a beach. So we're trying to go see what it looks like. So if this guy comes. Huh? I know, right? This is nice. I have to take some picture here before I leave. So you go down these stairs. And then, wow. But oh, you reach down there, so? Oh. Huh? Oh my God, the rainbow! Wow. I wonder if I don't here so you have to walk. Or over there, so. Well, there's a path. There's a path down there. So, wow. That not bad.
That not bad.
That not bad.
So, Joe can picture.
That not bad. Hey guys. I'm in Jamaica. We're together.
Oh.
You're so dumb. All alone. Da, da, da. Look, big stage. You can't go on stage. See there? You can't go on stage.
Yeah,
Bumbleclad, Joyo. Imagine all the space and everything.
That's what I say. Space. That's one big.
Could I have the ceremony up there, so?
I guess I still have to show this, the bleach background. One of them cheaper, I take back home. Good old new on the roads, we can make some roads. I'm sitting hard up.
Please, no hickeys. I have to take my pictures tomorrow.
Remember. After that, surely I get one for your breast though.
Oh, I think it's down here. So. Okay, guys.
After my phone,
me can't go.
No, I'm going to walk with you.
All alone.
I don't do my snaps and I'm blood. I'm going to eat that phone, go press restart. I'm not press.
Oh, beach hours 6 a.m. to 5 p.m. That not bad. But that is the pre. I don't really want the out here, so an idea. You take time around down the stairs here, because them slippery. Oh, okay.
Wow.
Oh, look at the lizard. So tiny.
So tiny, like you. No, I see. Show me. Okay.
Found the beach, guys. Oh, people in there too.
How many people almost are there? How many people are there?
Wow. This is cute.
That's a step. Hips don't lie, eh?
So dumb.
Never ever. See rain glow there. How about the boy support the rainbow flag?
So dumb.
Show the bad
so
news.
Pretty.
And the bad camera. Take out the top of the camera. You can see.
Why? I can see.
Show them the screen. I tell the rain do come right around, you know.
Wow!
You ever see the full rain?
Can I get a wow?
Wow,
So that means the goal that's somewhere in the ocean.
Yeah, the goal out there now. The people out there. See a boat out there, let them find it. Them find it.
Wow, you guys. Jamaica.
Right,
Alright, well.
now we know. Then I wet road.
Yeah.
We have to sit down, we have to bring things to see.
Well, there's a thing right there. You just need a towel.
That's a towel, isn't it, Mr.? I need a towel to put on him.
Alright, I'm gonna go bathe. Oh.
I'm gonna like it.
I'm gonna go bathe because I'm off with my sister here. She need a Christmas hairstyle.
Okay.
I'm gonna need something to eat because I'm hungry.
Why? Show them the bad news.
Are you gonna wine at Soca or die? Or I love Soca? See, that's not a wine. That's a joke.
That's a joke.
That's why I said you can't whine. Come practice. Come practice now? Come just. But where's their pool?
Yeah, don't need to find the pool next year. I got one.
Yeah.
When I put on the beer after
No, I'm come. I want done up there so and just come back.
I want to catch your food. No, we're so alright, sorry.
I'm glad we have like a beach up here because I'm not going into any Portmore water this trip. The amount of crocodile and people, I will not be there. Oh, this is a workout. I can feel the burn in my leg already. Wow.
Not so bad,
Are you so? It says pool closed. It says closed. Look, pool closed. More about my money. The white sign. And someone's review said the pool was closed. We're at it, not even a gyps of water. Not even a little gyps of water in there, people. Whoa.
This is supposed to be the pool. Basketball.
Wow.
I can play basketball in the pool. But it's deep, so we could play now. This is deep, man. I can't see.
Well?
Put this so I can look first.
Oh,
I look by
now walk over here, so. Oh my God.
Yeah, that's a slide.
Hello, take time. I can't afford it.
No, slide so easy on my bottom. Can't balance it.
Okay, well, me need to take time. Because one of my foot and broke already. I need the next one.
How much pound is this?
It's like £1.
1 What is 1 pound? 5 pound each jar.
No.
What's that? Feel it. You don't feel it. I'll show you black pound.
Move. Anyways, guys, going back home for a little bit. Not even for a little bit. I'm gonna get ready. Hey, come here, see bear. Me I watch bear story from Ria.
Yeah,
when she and her son them start talking, I say, wow, and for them slang different. Jesus.
Slang them different too.
Oh my gosh. But yeah. Are so much puss there? Me like them something there, you know? Lord, see it there. See it there? See it there, people? See it there? See it there? See it there? But tell him say I'm gonna drop and see it there. You drop. You drop. Yeah. Anyway, guys, as I said, I'm gonna shower, get ready, and then push back out. I don't even know what I want to wear. So yeah, I'll be back. So guys, I'm gonna go to my sister's. I'm gonna go drop off my gifts. Kamari, of course. Personalized sack, although me ruin it. Me ruin it, but that's okay. Kiana and Angie, and then Kiana's nephews. So yeah, I'm gonna be Santa Claus today. Yeah, idiot. I'm gonna be Santa Claus today. I need to go get something to eat. I'm gonna go check them and then come back because Goody is tired. I've been traveling since yesterday. I'm hungry, I'm tired, I'm not eating nothing substantial. Friday.
So get KFC and everything.
Soon?
You get food, I can't get anything like warm till I got a soup.
I don't want no soup. Anyhow, I'm gonna dip on the road, me come back.
Get back there.
Jonah here? Alright.
Big driver, yeah, I'm fine, yeah. Say hello to the vlog.
Hello vlog. I'm hungry.
Yeah, now. Subscribe, like, share. I don't know what I said.
Leave a comment.
Yeah, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend.
If you're new, hit subscribe. If you're returning, hit the notification bell so you don't miss another video from we.
Reality, yeah. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. Zoisha, Vlog Life, Mobile, Bad Driver and I. Kingston Street, well I'm Mobile this.
What?
Nobody has a Kingston Street.
Yeah, I know.
Oh yeah, wicked. Splashings. And then I'm sure for life in a mobile, vlog life, everything. Wife and Empress, you know, bad driver. That's a live like a chauffeur. Be outside.
Yeah, babe, drive, babe, drive.
Yeah,
you
boy.
drive.
Drive,
you drive.
boy. Make your man rest. Yo, the camera to show the thing different. Yeah, you ever put up before there? No phone, no blood clot.
I'm telling you, that's what I remember. I was like, yo, it sees everything.
Everything. I was got something to tripod. I tried the Wi-Fi pod.
And you see all of the blemishes them on my face. All of the freckle them come off.
No. The winter take them. You must have the white in your jeans, you know. That's why you have them sitting there. Black man like me, you don't worry about try. Because they must have, you know, the black jeans. I'm not having something there. The white jeans, them they come from. I'm going to have the peel out head top. Genetic. Yeah, nah. Rich, them say a rich man I run a fuck fall. One out of two, either you go rich or you mean or you fuck foul.
You fuck foul like
and you feel out there. Why I kind like?
And you fuck foul.
Why? So why could we be rich? We kidding.
You're not rich.
You?
You're not rich.
You're not rich yet. Yet. So that's why them say when you will get rich.
When you go get rich? Or when you're
you have
rich?
to peel out it. Now when you're born in the riches and you will get rich or you're rich. Either you have something to do with the rich them say. Road over there. Bill, show me. Okay. Relax. Nah, I do about my shock. When the girl see me, the girl will say, yo, watch the vlog with you and your wife. People, man, really. I say, John. I say, you can't hide.
Yeah.
Subscribe when them out, them will kill me.
Remember? You did their waves speech?
No. Rumors, them spreading. If I show them with a video, boy, I drive so close to the car. I like when I drive so close. Hey, I drive far from people car, you know?
You did their,
Nah, touch your body car again, brother. Sorry.
Yeah, but
Taste is, I feel like I eat tasties.
you're nervous.
I look for KFC. I'm not nervous. I don't have nerve problem. I ask some other. I'm afraid. I must have a football player in my life.
When I say nervous, I don't mean
I
like
feel composure.
nervous. I mean like you're nervous now because you're meeting an accident.
I'm saying kiss that stuff like pretty brown, you know? Pretty brown skin.
I made it up, I say.
You know, when I say show me touch one at a time, I'm over here, I'm scared, so I'm overprotective, what I call it.
So anyways, guys, we'll link you when we reach our destination, wherever it is. Bye.
Man, God bless you. We have to rise to the top. Through the Martin, no clean them, but clean anything. From them for life, them one blood. I just think
But nothing of them. Boom!
I just a live, I just a walk. Just a go through it, some spark. My man, the beginning, my shut up. Never know how much.
Forgot that?
But just a live. Just a walk. Just say you can't stay, someone just a laugh. Never get to the money first.
I got it.
You give me no.
Good old long hill, you know?
She alright with me alright with she. She my type of B, me don't care type of G. She never busy, give me money pussy. Ah. You guys are gonna
Sister.
It's our Christmas time! Oh my God! Oh, it's a 2019 and 29. Watch here. Come on, this. Hi, DJ. Hi, come on, say hi. Come on, say hi. Really, DJ? Really, say hi. Really?
Yeah. Dog bark on the sun. I know that me talk about the shoes for my bed.
Shop up my still?
Yeah.
So come back home. Come back home.
Lift me up.
You're crazy.
Lift me up.
Oh God, and then you want it then. And then you want it then.
Come on, you're not gonna say hi?
Hi, how are you?
Joel, this is Angie. Angie, this is Joel. Where's Kyle?
Kyle.
Why isn't he here? So how come you always left Kyle?
Kyle, I'm not like country.
Can you say
You
no?
can't.
Yeah.
No, come on,
because-
you can't make me
Because you can't what? I want to know why this youngster crack. Come here. Come, you want candy? You want candy? Come, Auntie, bring your candy.
Right.
You feel sorry for him?
Oh, the man I say nice.
Yeah. Where you talk with on phone, you know?
Yesterday I feed me, you know? I feed me 3 phone about cow.
Frightened, you know.
Frightened. I can slap him one.
Yeah.
To go where? Where?
Mama's born.
Stop crying.
Yeah, actually, I don't watch it. Eat our phone.
Come kiss me. I'm sorry, baby. Mwah.
Don't you come
Because I was thinking about it, but I'm like, my birthday's coming up.
Christmas is here in my bay. And I'm packed.
You guys, look at Christmas in Montego Bay. Oh my god. The little pepper light them. Anyways, I brought Babe to come get food. So that is what we are doing. He's back again. He loved it the last time. So he's back.
Where's someone 3 piece? I have 2 piece.
You want the tree?
I'm gonna give you one.
No, thank you. I don't want anything from you. This boy said food. I'm food. You have money? A 3-piece, no one's on my as well. Come out, I'm gonna scream. Move. Me. See a black cake here. My sister make black cake. My sister make Christmas cake. Oh. Go to Acadian. Go to Acadian. Wow, can I get a what? Me hungry. Me, what's around the eats?
I don't want to see one more. Progressive one nice. Progressive beef.
Okay.
Some good extras, only by for my birthday when I eat for 2 days. No, I want to fried rice. And 2 pieces on the road. And pasta and rice.
Jesus. Bless you. True word.
What I get for you?
Nothing.
Alright. We need to eat dinner, I remember saying longer and over. We need to eat food. I put that on 1 more night. Rice and peas.
I'm not eating none if you put bun in there.
Yeah. Chain bad though.
Thank you.
Sure.
Home is where the heart is, and my heart is in. Oh God, I was supposed to.
Yeah, it's spoon instead of spoon eating the safe, man. I really, a spoon eating. I'm not laughing.
Listen.
A spoon meat all dumpling and play away. Yes, French. Say him some more pasta. Alright. Yes, spoon away. Let's go.
Make it take him. Make it take him. Just make it take him.
Yeah, I know one of them I breast them. And two are the bake, are the roast.
What do I make?
A roast, that one. Can't give me a wing, so look a wing.
Wow.
It look nice, the roast.
Yeah, it looks nice.
That's why I say roast. Roast
Wow.
chicken.
Yeah.
Better. You great customer service. Wow. No, you're fantastic.
That's food.
You dash gravy on it?
Better than KFC. KFC can't compare to this.
Thank you.
No one about man, right, I'm working.
Can't take this nigga nowhere. I wonder if I should go to Sakura. Nah.
No,
let
you
go.
are so confused. Yeah, almost like a cool, okay?
Hello.
Still have that?
Erotic
I
class.
am there, look.
No, sir.
Sorry,
Yeah.
Blind side, see, you wear glasses.
Hello.
I kill me, I'm not waiting to tell me.
Whoa.
I think I watch him good. I think he never look good.
Be back, guys. We're gonna go to Progressive. Actually, that's a vlog, bitch.
Progressive.
That's a vlog. It's in my purse.
Yeah.
We have camera. We have vlog film now.
Oh, exactly.
Yeah.
Watch the camera there. Watch the camera coming on the vlog.
Can I get a
You
wow?
know what? Dead in the vlog.
All
I
right.
get the vlog.
This is Jamaica Christmas time. Christmas time in the city, in the country.
And a country.
Ding-a-ling. Then
Caribbean,
Jamaica's what? Jamaica is what? What is Jamaica?
Island.
Jamaica is what on a map?
Island.
Jamaica is what on a map?
Island.
Jamaica is what on a map?
Country.
Okay.
Island.
It's Christmas
The man say, where is Canada? The
time.
man, in a what you know question. Man say, which planet? The man say, I have no idea.
Which planet?
Which planet Canada there? The man say, I have no idea.
Saturn.
Most I prefer to even say that, that's all more sensibility.
Saturn. That's not here. Y'all see this? I saw him moving on. Just walk off all the time. And all the time we just walk off. Baby, Christmas Day. You find it? Can't find what we are looking for.